Hello, today's practice is for Thursday, January 22nd, and it is titled Jaw Melt. For the purposes of this practice, please choose a comfortable seated position, slightly reclined perhaps. Mouth closed, take a deep breath in, and then sigh out. Another breath in, and a long sigh out with your mouth closed. And now breathe normally. Become aware of your lips. Relax your jaw. Notice your lips begin to move away from each other slightly. Nothing to do. Let your jaw relax on its own, allowing your tongue to drop. Just noticing the lips. And without doing anything specifically, perhaps you notice that your lips begin to part ever so slightly. Nothing to do. Simply noticing how your jaw relaxes more and more. Effortless. Bring your awareness to the jawbone between ear and chin. Feel as if the whole area, both sides of your jaw, are melting, softening, sliding down, dripping as if they were warm wax. The whole jaw sliding down away from the rest of your face. Melting. No need to do anything. Just noticing. And maybe your mouth is completely open right now. Effortless. Jaw relaxed. Face and jaw completely effortless. Allow your eyelids to become heavy, and if it feels good, let your eyes close. I'll be silent for a little while, letting you enjoy the feeling. And whenever you feel ready, you just open your eyes. Now gently close your mouth, but allow your jaw to stay relaxed. And now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue practicing relaxing your jaw. See if it helps you feel more relaxed overall, not just physically, but also mentally, emotionally. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.